And today I'm going to show you the squishies I ordered. I ordered four, but three came, and when my other one comes, I will show you that one. So the first one is this little kitty. Smushy kitty. This poop. Real squishy. And halfway slow rising. This is my favorite one. It's strawberry. Oh my god, it smells so good. And it's real slow rising. So I don't want that to be it, but I'm going to show you some of my slimes. So I'm going to set you guys down. I'm going to show you some. I try to get this out. This is one. Oh, it is sand slime. It's a really nice texture. I have another one, and it is sand slime, but it has lots of sand in it. That one only has a couple bit of, only a little bit of sand. So I'm gonna, from the container with this is one container, this is the other container, and this one's a sand slime, like the real sandy thing. Oh my god, it's hard to help him. This is it. Yeah. So squishies, slime, and slime. So I'm going to close this up. Share this with your friends. Share this with your friends and family. Share it with everybody that you know. Do not share it with strangers. So, oh, my charger. Okay. So this is my slime bell, you can say. I made slime and I let it sit, because that was it there. This liquid. See this? Look at that. I set it up for 24 hours. That's what my sister dared me when I wasn't even a YouTuber, because I started being a YouTuber. And yeah, that's all my slimes. I want to show you my favorite high heels. These are my high heels I'm going to be wearing to my prom when I'm older. So bye, peace out. Joking, why would I do that? It's not even time. So, you see those skates? Maybe I might want to ride them when my camera's not dead. That's why it's on the charger. So, bye, peace out.